Welcome to Dammam, where the sun rises first in Saudi Arabia. Once a secret of the oil industry, Dammam is now opening its arms to the world. This city on the Arabian Gulf is ready for its close-up, blending ancient stories with modern dreams. In 2025, Dammam stands as the capital of the Eastern Province, rich in history, energy, and soul. Feel its pulse in bustling souks and see its beauty in the turquoise Gulf waters. Dammam isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Here, tradition meets innovation, and every sunrise promises new adventure. The city is transforming. New parks, museums, and vibrant waterfronts are blooming. Hospitality is a way of life, inviting you to connect with a culture both timeless and forward-thinking. Let's peel back the layers of this fascinating city together. Walk the Corniche, explore lively markets, and taste the flavors that define Dammam. Discover hidden gems beyond the guidebooks. This is more than a tour. It's an invitation to see, feel, and understand a city shaping the future of Middle Eastern travel. Get ready to fall in love with Dammam. Your adventure starts now. The city's story is just beginning, and you're invited to be part of it. Let's explore what makes Dammam truly special. The journey awaits. Welcome to a new era of discovery. Dammam is full of surprises. Let's explore 5 reasons it's a must-visit in 2025. First, the Al Khobar Art and Culture Center, a new beacon for creativity, hosting global exhibitions and performances. Second, the Dammam Mangrove Sanctuary. Kayak through ancient forests, spot rare birds, and connect with nature. Third, the Palette Food District, a blend of traditional Saudi stalls and trendy international eateries, all in a modern Arabian village setting. Fourth, the Gulf Pearl Fountain, the world's largest interactive fountain, dazzling with light, water, and sound, customizable via mobile app. Fifth, Dammam's commitment to joyful, modern public spaces, where families gather and the city's ambition shines. Each wonder reveals a new side of Dammam: creative, green, delicious, innovative, and welcoming. These aren't just attractions, they're experiences that define the city's spirit. Dammam is ready to surprise you at every turn. Come see what the future of Saudi Arabia looks like. The magic is real, and it's waiting for you. Discover Dammam's 5 wonders. Every city has landmarks that tell its story. Dammam is no exception. King Fahd Park, a vast green oasis, perfect for picnics, strolls, and family fun. Dammam Corniche, a lively waterfront promenade where the city meets the sea, bustling with joggers, families, and cafes. Heritage Village, step inside a Saudi fort, explore artifacts, and taste authentic local dishes. A journey through Eastern Province history. Sher Al-Hab Market, the Love Market, a maze of alleyways filled with spices, perfumes, gold, and hand-woven carpets. Shopping here is a sensory adventure, with friendly shopkeepers and unique finds. These landmarks are more than places. They're windows into Dammam's soul. From lush parks to historic markets, each spot offers a glimpse of local life. Experience the city's past and present in every corner. Whether you seek relaxation, culture, or adventure, Dammam's landmarks deliver. Don't just visit, immerse yourself. The city's story comes alive in these unforgettable places. Make memories in Dammam's most iconic spots. Every landmark is a chapter in your journey. Start exploring. Dammam's food is a delicious reflection of its culture. Rich, diverse, and unforgettable. Try kabsa, the national dish: fragrant rice, tender meat, and warm hospitality in every bite. Savor fresh seafood. Grilled hammer, caught daily from the Gulf, is a local favorite. Street food like mutabak and shawarma offer quick, flavorful bites as you explore. Dining here is more than a meal. It's a social ritual, connecting you to the city's heart. For shopping, Dammam blends modern malls like Mall of Dahran with bustling traditional souks. Hunt for spices, dates, perfumes, and crafts in the vibrant Dammam souk. The contrast between sleek malls and lively markets makes every shopping trip unique. Whether you're tasting or trading, Dammam's flavors and finds are unforgettable. Let your senses guide you through the city's culinary and shopping adventures. Every meal and market tells a story. Discover the tastes and treasures of Dammam. This is where culture comes alive. One bite, one bargain at a time. Savor the experience. Dammam's coastline is a treasure trove of beauty and adventure. Half Moon Bay, a crescent of golden sand and calm waters, perfect for swimming, relaxing, or water sports. Marjan Island, a peaceful escape with parks, playgrounds, and panoramic views, ideal for sunset watching and fishing. The Damam Corniche, a vibrant promenade lined with art, parks, and cafes, where the city's energy meets the sea breeze. Take a traditional dhow cruise for a taste of maritime history and stunning skyline views. The coast is where Dammam's spirit shines, welcoming, lively, and full of life. Whether you're lounging on the sand or sailing the Gulf, the experience is unforgettable. The sunsets here are legendary, fiery skies reflected in tranquil waters. Every moment by the sea is a memory in the making. The coastline is Dammam's living room, open to all, day and night. Adventure, relaxation, and beauty await along the shore. Discover the city's coastal charms for yourself. The sea is calling. Answer it in Damam. Let the coast be your guide. Experience the magic of the Gulf. Damam lives in two worlds, where ancient traditions and modern ambitions blend seamlessly. See men in traditional thobes at trendy cafes, and ancient dhows against a skyline of glass towers. The city's architecture tells its story, old coral stone houses beside cutting-edge skyscrapers. Heritage is preserved, even as the city builds for the future. Social life reflects this balance. Close-knit families, warm hospitality, and a cosmopolitan mix of cultures. Expatriates from around the world add vibrancy and openness to the city. Experience a morning in a historic souk, an afternoon in a tech museum, and an evening at a modern concert. Damam lets you step back in time and leap into the future, all in one day. This dynamic interplay is what makes the city unforgettable. Tradition and modernity aren't opposites here. They're partners in Dammam's story. As a traveler, you get to live this harmony. Discover a city that honors its roots while embracing tomorrow. Dammam is where the past and future meet. We've walked Dammam's coast, tasted its food, and felt its vibrant energy. This city is more than a destination. It's a feeling, a story waiting for you to write. Be among the first to explore its new cultural centers, pristine beaches, and hidden gems. Dammam invites the curious and adventurous to connect on a deeper level. The sun is rising over the Arabian Gulf. A new day of discovery awaits. Picture yourself on the Corniche in bustling souks, or savoring local flavors. This is a real place, more accessible than ever. Your adventure is calling. Let curiosity be your guide. Open your heart to Saudi hospitality and discover where the sun rises first. What excites you most? The beaches, the food, the culture? The story is yours to create. Start planning your journey to Dammam. Your adventure begins now.